Hi, hello students. Welcome back to our channel. This is Bhaskar Bora. As in the part of ninth chapter, tangents and secants, we have been discussed some of the important concepts and statements which are given in our textbook. And also we discussed some of the problems from exercise 9.1 and 9.2. And today in this session we are going to see how to construct a pair of tangents to a circle from an external point. So to understand this, let us take one example. It is given as construct a pair of tangents to a circle with radius 6 centimeters from an external point which is 10 centimeters distance away from the center of the circle. Construct a pair of tangents to a circle with radius 6 centimeters from an external point which is 10 centimeter away from the center of the circle. So in this, we are given by a circle whose radius is 6 centimeters, and it is also given that the external point, the distance between the center to the external point, it is given as 10 centimeters. Using this information, we need to construct a pair of tangents to this circle. We already know that there will be exactly two tangents to a circle from a point which lies outside the circle. So to construct the pair of tangents to this circle, first we need to draw the rough sketch. So what is given in the problem? We were given by a circle with radius 6 centimeters. So let us take a circle and assume its center as O, and its radius is given as 6 centimeters, and it is also given that the external point is 10 centimeter away from the center of the circle. So take a point outside the circle and assume it as P and join OP, and its length is 10 centimeters. Now from the point P we need to draw a pair of tangents to this circle. So let us take two tangents to this circle and assume them as PA and PB. OA, OB are radii which are 6 centimeters given. Now this is the rough sketch for the given problem. Now further we need to proceed for the construction. To do the construction, first we need to draw a circle with the given radius. So for this, let us mark a point and name it as O. So we are assuming it as center of the circle, and take the compass, and the compass take radius 6 centimeters, since radius of the circle is given as 6 centimeters, and place it on O, and with radius 6 centimeter draw one circle. Now we get a circle with radius 6 centimeters. Now next what we have to do? In the problem it is given that the external point is 10 centimeter away from the center of the circle. So now we need to locate the external point to the circle. So using the ruler, from point O, measure the distance 10 centimeter, and on the ruler 10 centimeter mark a point and name it as P. Now we locate the external point P. Now join O and P. So by joining we get a line segment OP. Now next we need to draw a perpendicular bisector to this line segment OP. What do you mean by perpendicular bisector? Do you know how to draw a perpendicular bisector for the given line segment? Yes, I think you know it very well because we already learnt in our previous classes how to draw the perpendicular bisector to a given line segment. So let us recall that process again by constructing a perpendicular bisector to the line segment OP. So to construct a perpendicular bisector, first we need to take the radius on the compass more than the half of the length of the line segment OP. How much radius we have to take here? We have to take the radius on the compass more than the half of the length of the line segment OP. What is the length of the line segment OP? It is 10 centimeter. So what is the half of 10 centimeter? 5 centimeter. So we have to take more than 5 centimeter radius on the compass. So here I am taking 7 centimeter radius on the compass, and I am placing it on O. I am drawing one circle above the line segment OP, and keeping the compass on the center O, draw one more arc below the line segment OP, and keeping the same radius on the compass, now place it on P and cut the previous two arcs. Now join the intersecting points of these arcs using the ruler. So by joining them, we get a perpendicular bisector to the line segment OP. This perpendicular bisector cuts the line segment OP into two equal parts. That means the intersecting point of perpendicular bisector and line segment OP is the midpoint of line segment OP. That means the perpendicular bisector exactly passes through the midpoint of the line segment OP. So assume this point as M. Now place the compass on the point M and take the radius MO, or you may take the radius MP also. Since M is the midpoint, MO, MP lengths are equal. So place the compass on M and take the radius MO and draw one more circle. Now this second circle will intersect the first circle at two distinct points. Name these 2 points as A and B. Now join the points P and B. So by joining them we get a tangent, and also join PA. So by joining P and A with the second tangent, and these are the 2 required tangents to the given circle with center O. So this is the way of constructing pair of tangents to a circle from an external point when the distance between the center and the external point is given. Let us again rewind this process. How do we construct? At first, we draw a circle with given radius 6 centimeters. After that, we locate the external point P, which is 10 centimeter away from the center of the circle, and we join center and the external point. By joining them, we get a line segment OP. After that, we draw a perpendicular bisector to line segment OP. This perpendicular bisector meets the line segment at a point, and we assume that point as M. And next, taking M as the center and MO as the radius, we draw one more circle, and this circle cuts the previous circle at two distinct points. We name them as A and B, and then we join P and A, and also we join P and B. By joining them we get two tangents PA and PB, which are the required tangents. So this is the process that we can do when the distance between the center of the circle and the external point is given. And in our next video we are going to see how to construct a pair of tangents when the angle between the tangents is given. Till then, bye. Thank you.